Welcome, here I've got VIVO V21 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings, and here at the first position we have mirrored selfie option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And we have also short info from the device that this can mirror left or right when the front camera is used for photography and the video shooting, so of course you have to remember to change back camera to the front one by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.